What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another video. Now in today's video I thought I'd make a really cool yet useful review on a product that I use daily. We all know what it's like living in a hyper-digitalized world, and sometimes that means not having enough USB ports to charge the technological extensions of yourself, which can suck most of the time. And that's where this device comes in. It's formerly known as the Sabrent 60 watt 12 amp 10 port USB charger, and it runs for about 30 bucks on Amazon. It also comes in 6, 5, 3, and 2-port versions. Or more simply put, a family-sized USB hub to charge pretty much all of your devices. That's roughly 4 tablets and 6 smartphones of charging capabilities. One of the biggest reasons I originally got this device was because of my PlayStation. I have PlayStation 4 controllers, and whenever I needed to charge them, I have to plug them into the PlayStation. Whenever I tried to plug them into the wall or an outlet charger, they just wouldn't charge. We all have little chargers like these, little wall ports, charge your stuff, it works, right? This charges your phone fine, no problem at all. But whenever I tried to plug in my PlayStation controllers near me to charge and play at the same time, they just wouldn't charge because this does not have enough power to charge a PlayStation controller. And I always found myself having to plug my controllers into my PlayStation. So it was really annoying to do that when they died constantly because they get old and the batteries get old. So I did a little research and I found this. So I bought this and now I can charge them all at once. You guys know by now that all the tools and gadgets that I review and recommend to you guys are typically tied to film, in most cases. With that being said, this is without a doubt a great device to have on set. It will charge a ton of batteries and devices for your crew all at once, versus people having to search for available sockets around the set, wasting valuable time. But with one of these, you can put it in the middle of the room and everybody just kind of huddles around it. So in my opinion, it's great to have in your bag at all times. Here's a live example. Here we have my phone, an Amazon Basics external battery, a PS4 controller, we're powering the Nest Cam, charging my AirPods, charging my Nintendo Switch, charging my iPad mini, charging both sets of my GoPro batteries, and also charging my GH5 batteries. Think pit stop power port for anyone on the team. So what's not to love about this little device? It's very simple, I know that. All you do is plug it into a wall and you're good to go. It does not do data transfers or anything like that, it only charges devices. It's a neat and witty must-have product in my opinion. Plus, it's a really cool attention grabber around the office. So take our office. We have a few desks, we have a lot of people, everybody kind of gathers around, they're all hot spots, people to sit down and go away. There's no cubicles, it's a very open space. And we have power strips to power everything on the desk. Now when somebody plugs a phone in, they take up a whole power port. That's one phone for one power port, and in my opinion is a waste of space. Because when there's one power strip and only 8 plugs, you got 2 laptops charging, you got a Thunderbolt display, and then a phone. That takes up the entire thing, and I need to charge my stuff too. So what I did one day is I brought this to the office and plugged it in, and it was amazing. Everybody's face lit up, and they're like, oh my god, we can charge all of our phones now. And it was kind of cool, so I bring it into the office every day now. Plug it up, and everybody gets to charge their phone at my desk. Overall, it won't break the bank, and honestly help you in your workflow with your professional and personal life. I myself have 3 of these. I have 2 plugged up in my apartment somewhere, and this is the one that I keep in my bag at all times to take back and forth from work. Because I don't like unplugging and plugging things in constantly, I have them strategically placed around my place to make sure I know where things are being charged. Overall, I think this thing is pretty cool. I'd honestly give it a 5 out of 5 because for my use case on this thing, it works perfectly. So that's all I have for today. As always, thank you for watching, thank you for being a part of the channel. Feel free to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to keep up to date with new content. Apart from all that, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. And remember, get creative. Peace.